Exercise 11.3, Class 12, State Board Syllabus, Tamil Nadu State Board Syllabus. In that first problem, the probability density function of x is given by f of x is equal to kx e power minus 2x for x greater than 0 and 0 for x less than or equal to 0. Find the value of k. So this is the question. The solution for this problem is, it is given that probability density function. Since f of x is a probability density function, the area under the curve right from minus infinity to plus infinity should be equal to 1. That is, integration of f of x dx right from minus infinity to plus infinity should be equal to 1. Now, this integral can be split into two parts, minus infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity, because here if you see, x greater than 0 means it is positive values. X less than or equal to 0 means 0 also is taken into account, but x is right from minus infinity to 0. Therefore, the given function f of x can be split into limits minus infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity. So, minus infinity to 0, f of x, the function f of x is 0. Therefore, in the place of f of x, we are substituting 0, 0 into dx. Then 0 to infinity, the function is having a value kx e power minus 2x. Therefore, you substitute this value here in f of x. So, kx e power minus 2x into dx, the right hand side is 1. Okay. Now, this integral value is 0. So, we need to integrate the second integral. For that, we make use of integration by parts. So, the second part of the integral will be k integrate 0 to infinity x e power minus 2x into dx is equal to 1. You take this as u and this as dv. So, we know the formula, integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Now, what is u? U is x. Du by dx is 1, therefore, du is equal to dx. Now, what is dv? dv is e power minus 2x into dx. So, dv is e power minus 2x into dx. Now, integrating both sides. So, integral dv is equal to integral e power minus 2x into dx. Integral dv is nothing but v. Integration of e power minus 2x into dx is nothing but e power minus 2x by minus 2. Now, we have all the values. We have to substitute these values in this integral. So, we know the formula also, which is uv minus integral v du. So, in this place, you can replace by uv minus integral v du. So, uv, what is u? U is x. What is v? E power minus 2x by minus 2, I substituted. First we have uv, then we have minus sign, here also minus sign. Integral v du, what is v? E power minus 2x by minus 2. And what is du? Dx. So, v du we have substituted. The limit is from 0 to infinity, don't forget, the limit is from 0 to infinity, which is equal to 1. Okay. Now, we have to substitute the limits, which is upper limit minus lower limit. So, I have written the same equation as it is. Now, see here, we have integral e power minus 2x by minus 2 into dx. If you integrate this minus and minus will become plus, 1 by 2 will be taken outside. E power minus 2x is what? E power minus 2x by minus 2. So, that is what is done here. So, 1 by 2 is taken outside, e power minus 2x by minus 2. Now, limit upper limit is infinity, lower limit is 0, which is equal to 1. Note, e power minus infinity is equal to 0. So exponential decay function e power minus x will go like this, and it reaches 0 only at infinity. So it reaches 0 only at infinity. So just substitute infinity. So if you substitute for x infinity, e power minus 2 into infinity, which is infinity. E power minus infinity is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0, so this term will become 0. Then once again here also, if you substitute infinity for x, this term is also 0 because e power minus infinity is 0. So upper limit is 0, that's what is written here. Minus, so minus sign, lower limit. Now what is the lower limit? It's just 0. So we have to substitute 0 for x. Now if you substitute 0 for x, 0 multiplied by anything, this term will become 0. E power 0, e power 0 is 1. Therefore this term will become 1, 1 by minus 4. Okay. 0. So e power 0. So this 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus into minus will become plus. Therefore e power 0 is 1, 1 divided by 4. We have the constant term k outside. So k into 1 by 4 equal to 1. Therefore k is equal to 4. So this is the answer for this problem. Hope you have understood this problem. Thanks for watching. Nandri.